Ever pondered how the pharmaceutical industry, one of the most data-intensive sectors, harnesses the power of that data to make informed decisions? Well, it's all about data processing and business intelligence. Take, for instance, a recent project we undertook for a leading pharmaceutical firm with over 10,000 employees worldwide. Their requirement? Process their pharmaceutical data and create a comprehensive business intelligence report using Power BI to aid their management decisions. So where did we start? The creation of various business intelligence reports. These included a store overview, a profit log report, prescriber and pharmacy reports, in-depth drug details by pharmacy, a forecast report, influencers of net profit and total, and finally, a patients and drugs report. But generating these reports is just one part of the story. The other part? Ensuring these reports remain updated and relevant. To achieve this, we developed a data pipeline that loaded data from the data source to Power BI. This pipeline ensured the reports were automatically updated and graphs populated whenever there was a change in the data at the data center. The result? A presentation map and dashboard that provided a holistic view of the data. All of this was achieved through the integration of APIs and the use of Microsoft Power BI, one of the most powerful data visualization tools available. And to make this possible, we employed Python, a versatile programming language known for its capabilities in data analysis. So what does all this mean? It's simple. By processing data and leveraging business intelligence, pharmaceutical companies can gain insights that help them make better decisions, improve efficiency, and ultimately enhance patient care. In a nutshell, data processing and business intelligence reporting are not just beneficial. They are essential in the pharmaceutical industry. They enable companies to transform raw data into meaningful information, making it easier to identify trends, spot opportunities, and make informed decisions. Remember, data is only as good as what you do with it. And in the pharmaceutical industry, it's all about turning that data into actionable insights. That's the power of data processing and business intelligence reporting.